Have you ever wanted to elevate your D&D game night to something truly legendary? Well, I want to point you to Beadle and Grimm's luxury editions. They're like having a treasure chest delivered straight to your table. Now, don't get me wrong, these books are lovely in and of themselves, but picture this. Instead of a basic module, you've got a beautifully crafted box filled with handouts and props and maps and in-world artifacts. Beadle and Grimm's box sets don't just let you run the game, they let you live in it. You're holding a piece of that world, from premium battle maps to physical jewellery replicas. Now don't get me wrong, this is the opposite end of the market from the starter sets. Great value and everything on the small amount, you get a lot with it. These, it's a lot more money. These editions are for dungeon masters who dream of unforgettable sessions and for players who want to feel like they've stepped into another world. This is more than a game night, it's an experience. Let's take a wander through their website together. So it's not just fancy box sets that they do. And to be honest, it's not just D&D, but that's what we're concentrating on today. If we go to these premium boxed editions, that's what I'm talking about. So the one that I longed for when I saw it was the Curse of Strahd one, which I think they normally just come out and they're gone once they're done, but this is getting a rerun, I believe, a reprint. So it comes in the box, and then you get all this. There's maps and many handouts. I see the Taroka deck in there. Stat blocks, lovely printed, so you hang them over the DM screen. A big roll of maps. Now, I want to buy this for myself so that when I run the DM guide for you guys, it's good as it can be from my efforts. Little tokens here with Strahd's face on. Look at those, beautiful. Because you get these printed in the back of the book and you could print them out or whatever, but actually being able to hand somebody them, just fantastic. And some little cutesy cuddly plushes. And yeah, these are the maps then. I mean, I don't even recognise that art from the actual book. Oh, that's the book broken down into little smaller sections. Just a bit easier to handle. So yeah, I already have the Taroka deck as it goes. So that's one of the important items from the game. And yeah, just a lovely box set. So we've got Quest from the Infinite Staircase. Get all the adventures, obviously. Encounter cards, handouts, battle maps. Loads of battle maps. It's just lovely to have your hands on it, isn't it, when you're playing the game. DM screen, artifacts. So Keys from the Golden Vault. Even do Planescape. Even do Eberron. Now I'm spending about £100 on just the normal WotC books and PDF combination bundles. I think I'd much rather throw a little bit extra money at these sets. I think my players would be delighted if I was throwing all these around. So yeah, Tyranny of Dragons. I have today just ordered this Forgotten Realms map bundle because I'm going to be doing some guides to these little adventures. It comes with a DM screen and a load of big maps. Easier for me to film with and lay down on the table. Wonderful. Now, back in the day when I did my first guide, I used to dream about having this big box for Tyranny of Dragons. And these come with minis. That's just fantastic. They look really cool. Massive encounter cards. Easy to hang on the DM screen. The handouts. Big maps for your table. All sorts of paraphernalia for you to get your hands on. The book split into easier sections. And just an awesome bit of kit. So yeah, the Dragon Delves there on the left. Shattered Obelisk, that's sold out. Look at these little pins. All the factions, minis. So yeah, it's an investment, isn't it? Because if they don't run them forever, then surely they're going to be worth a lot more as well once you've done with them. But yeah, I just think it's such a great effort. Wonderful. So they've got the new Ravenloft Horrors Within book coming out in one of these sets, and Deadfall's coming out in one of these sets. So watch this space for a review, hopefully. GM Journal, dice sets, encounter cards for the different challenge ratings. So yeah, there's sort of a lot on here. Soul coins, wonderful. So you can buy like some of the items in smaller sets so you can actually easier afford them. And Magic the Gathering stuff. You really want to come and check this site out. So if you're ready to turn your next campaign into a legendary session, check out Beadle and Grimm's catalogue. I've linked my affiliate link below, because if you're going to dream big, you might as well roll for it in style. And I'll see you next session.